Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the opportunity to sit down with Rubert Duthie. Rob is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, Rob.
Well, thanks for having me.
So I wanted to talk to you and give you an opportunity to speak to the voters today and introduce yourself a little bit.
Okay. As I said, my name is Rubert Duthie, and I'm running for council for the town of Orangeville in the fall 2018 election. I moved to Orangeville 3 years ago, looking for small town living that offered a great quality of life with a slower pace. I was attracted to the beautiful downtown area, the number of interesting stores and restaurants, and the proximity of nature. I did retire in June of this year from the Toronto Police Service. I was with them for over 36 years, last 20 of those as a sergeant. I'm also a part-time university student working towards a BA in psychology through Athabasca University. There's a couple of reasons I'm running for council. The first is I have a genuine interest in politics. I love this town and I'm interested in seeing it prosper. I want to be part of that success. The second reason is a bit more self-serving. Taxes. I'm a fiscal conservative. It is my belief that people, myself included, are fed up. I will speak more of that soon, but the point became clear to me early on living here. It was a constant topic of conversation at social events. I would like to tackle this issue head on and improve the quality of life for all Orangeville residents. What qualifies me to take on this role? Well, it's true I'm new to politics. I did work for 3.5 decades, most of that in a supervisory position in Canada's largest municipality, where the need to provide a service with ever-increasing pressure to reduce costs was ever present. Furthermore, I understand how large-scale decisions are made and the impact that these decisions have on the daily lives of people. I have the maturity, the ability to see issues from multiple sides, and the will to make my opinions known. Lastly, I'm committed to serving the needs of the people of this community.
Thanks so much for coming in today, Rob, and I really appreciate you taking the time to tell us a little bit more about yourself.
Thank you.
And if you'd like to see more about Rob and see more of what he has to say, do take a look at the links below, and thank you very much for watching.